that a channel with 1,000 subscribers can potentially make more money than a channel with 10,000 or even 50,000 subscribers? Yes, and let me put it into perspective. This is my YouTube analytics. I made more money on YouTube when I had about 6,000 subscribers than now when I'm even having up to 10,000 subscribers. So that's why I want you to understand that the number of subscribers does not automatically translate to how much you're going to be making on YouTube. So you'll be asking me the question, so what now matters then? So the first thing I want you to know that is the number of views that you get on YouTube that would eventually now translate to the amount of money you're going to make eventually, considering the niche that you're creating videos on, which I may not be diving into today, but I want to talk about just two things, which the first one is the views that you're getting on your channel. Then the second one is your audience retention. What I mean by audience retention is, for example, you create a video. The video is maybe 15 minutes long. In between the videos, there are going to be ads that are placed here and there, and that is how creators make their money. So if you create a video and people just click, the next 1 second they are out of your video. First, it's going to affect the analytics because YouTube is going to see that no, people don't want to watch your videos, and YouTube will stop recommending the video, which automatically means that you're not going to get a lot of views. But if people are watching the video, spending more time on the video, YouTube will see your video has been valuable and even recommend it to a lot more people, which will enable you get more views. Remember, this does not have to do with the number of subscribers you get. When someone comes to your content and they find your content valuable, they will watch, and when they watch, they love, they are going to subscribe. So it doesn't matter whether you have 1,000 subscribers or you have 10,000 subscribers. Once your content is good, people are going to watch it. So which brings me to 3 ways that you can make money on YouTube. The first one is through the YouTube partnership program. What are the requirements for YouTube partnership program? I'm sure you're very familiar with that by now. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. In my case, I got 4,000 subscribers way before I got my 4,000 hours of watch time. So I had 4,000 subscribers and yet I was not monetized on YouTube. Which brings us back to the point that says the number of subscribers does not automatically translate to the amount of money that you're going to be making on YouTube. So when you want to get your 4,000 hours of watch time, bringing me back to the audience retention I mentioned earlier, the amount of minutes or hours people spend on your video is what will now translate to the watch hours that you're going to be getting. So if people don't stay long on your video, it will take you more time to get that 4,000 watch hours than when people stay long on your video, because your video is valuable and your videos are engaging. That is one thing I want you to note. So the second way you can make money on YouTube is through brand partnership. So I want you to know that brands don't contact you because of the number of subscribers you have. Fine, they may look at your channel and say, oh, you have a lot of subscribers. But one of the major things that they would look before saying that, okay, they want to partner with this person or work with this person, is the number of views that you get. Because you might have 100,000 subscribers and only 5,000 people watch your videos monthly. So you can see that subscribers does not automatically translate to more money. So if you have 1,000 subscribers, for example, and you have like 50,000 views, your last video had over 10,000 or 20,000 views, and you have just 1,000 subscribers, so brands will see you as being valuable because they know that once you post a video, a lot of people will get to see it, which is very important. The third way you can also make money, irrespective of the amount of subscribers that you have, is by selling digital products. Yes, by selling digital products. I started out online by selling digital products, and I was already making money on YouTube on my channel even before I got monetized on YouTube, and that's because I was selling digital products. So if you're the type of person that create content on YouTube, whether you are monetized or not, whether you have a lot of subscribers or not, if you are getting a lot of views, you can leverage those views to sell your digital products. I hope you got that right. So I would like you to share your thoughts in the comment section on what I've said so far. Do you think it's true or not? I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. So how do you grow the number of views that you have and your audience retention? Since I mentioned that that's what you should be focusing on. So the first thing you want to do is to understand how your click-through rate works. This is how your click-through rate works. When someone sees your video, the amount of people that click your video after seeing it, like when they come across your video and they click, is what your click-through rate is. On the average, it's usually 4% to 6% for new creators on YouTube, which is quite fair. If you have a 6% click-through rate, it means that for every 1,000 person that sees your video, 60 persons actually click on it to watch, which is actually a very good one. So one of the ways you can also boost your click-through rate is through your thumbnail, by creating engaging thumbnails that will get people's attention and want to make them click. And also your title, the title of your video that you use, can also be one of the things that will make people see your video and want to click on it. So the second thing I'm going to be talking about today is how to increase your audience retention. Guys, it is very important that you know that people's time is very, very valuable. As a content creator, you don't want to waste people's time. So once you're creating a video, you want to go straight to the point. You want to give out value quickly. Don't keep your audience waiting just because you want to increase the length of your video. You need to give value immediately. So when they see the value that you're already giving, then they want to say, okay, let me see what this person has to say more. Let me see what this person is showing me. Especially if you're sitting down and you're talking and you're just blabbing from the beginning, you need to go straight to the point, because there are a million content here on YouTube that people can actually go and watch. So you don't want to waste people's time. So one thing that you can do to increase your audience retention is to go straight to the point. Give out value quickly. Let the person that is watching your video see that your video is valuable. So I don't want to make this video long. I'm going to be posting more things that you need to know about growing your YouTube channel and making money on YouTube. If you would like to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell. If you enjoyed what I've shared so far, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section and let me hear your thoughts.